Babe was here falling asleep.
He
was here falling asleep.
Nice.
Ooh, this natural breeze though, babe. Babe, this natural breeze is nice.
Oh, last night I feel them coming so
yeah.
That's why last night I watched Patrick Swayze and be a case. Oh, so that's why I'm tired.
Turn on the TV.
At 2 o'clock I'm coming out bed.
You know, man, you always leave me for go sleep by myself for one long time.
I'll sleep too.
I just traveled.
Shake.
Anyways, you guys, we are on guest watch. We're watching for guests.
Guess watch. Best watch.
Imagine if my camera dropped. We'll see.
Nobody said that book. I heard so this call.
Oh, look at the lights at night.
Even Prince, a great Prince. There's a Prince like him, they have AIDS. Patrick Swayze, you know, man said, when Patrick Swayze realized that man can't find my man even at night, man, I say, no, I accept this, and you say, fight for long, you know. As I'm telling you, so the mind powerful, because the dream, you know, accept it, and fight it longer than the average. Why them all like what they
Alright. You guys!
You like a somebody press it. What if them could have parked beside me?
Of course.
Yeah, because I'm not seeing nobody take the parking spot for the 2 nights straight, you know. So I try to tell them for all that kind of. Park, yo! Park beside that!
Why are you yelling?
At the end!
It's alright, left them.
No, because my boy, you're so full up at night time. No one them park nowhere full.
So even if it's full, them can't park nowhere else?
No, P.A.
Yo, babe, them can't always move it. I don't want to get you people a license plate and all. Should I go downstairs? Give me where my slippers? Like, give me them. I'm gonna go downstairs. Yeah. People? That's funny. We're ready for run go downstairs, you know. Not even them.
Far as alarm go.
And we're there open gate for people. Look how we could have killed ourselves.
No, shut up now, some them could have come. No, them people like them they out again. That's why they are locked back when I press it. Because I know they are locked back when I press it again. So like so them press it when me press it, so it's a locked back.
Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, guys, it's official. They've arrived. They've arrived. This is excitement. I'm excited. Yeah, idiot. You get them something from me. Something to know what you're talking about. What? Me sure no say another first me I say excited, man. Yeah, idiots. Them must say a step.
That's how it look like now.
I know, right? Elevator, right? Because no, when he was like, oh, up to the top floor, I'm like, what? Like what, you guys? The stairs? Watch it. Yo, I can't do it. Like, Goody can't do it. The stairs seem too much. The stairs too much.
Go straight.
Exercise.
Now, good exercise.
Who is this? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh, hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
step on that. Last one. Alright, no? I'm going to use it by two.
Last.
Yeah.
There are no baby.
What's short about your movie?
Boy. Zoisha.
Actually, get that
What
shot.
about?
Short about?
Which one?
Short is just pass.
Where?
You don't have to tell me short about you.
Pass where? I didn't see nobody else in the room.
She got that about you. Let's. Now go straight to you, man. On top.
Oh,
That's
I
a
think
cool
she's
last
this
thing.
one. Hi, sweets.
Hello.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
I said that.
She's in the half one.
Half one. She's
Yeah.
next on the straight to you.
No, I was in the room on the phone. The man said he's gonna bring the phone. Come on.
No, today.
He called me. He's like, cause I'm like, who's calling me for 876? Nobody not called me.
No, I don't want to go in there.
Did you guys see? I don't even know what you guys seen from what you guys seen because I
Yeah,
wasn't
I
here.
see
So
that.
sorry. Oh, they did? Okay. Huh? What?
I say I set up lights. I set on the plane, I'm crying to see it.
Okay, Chris. I seen this on the hall.
Yeah. Oh, thank God I'm left it down there. I'm going to leave the camera over there.
Okay.
I'm a camera battery dead. I'm going to kind of charge. I already greeted you. I'm coming.
Oh, Ross. I know it's been a very long time since you guys seen this face on my channel.
Yeah.
April 2018. Yeah, because I didn't put up the can. I didn't really have no footage, to be honest. But yeah, it's bright as day.
Guys,
Where you-
finally reached.
Wait, which camera?
Wait, it's not even recording. No, it's still.
Oh. Oh, whoa,
It wasn't even recorded always.
Christ, don't make me look like me a bleach.
Guys, look outside, it's dark. That was the intention, but it's dark.
People.
Why? They need to open up an airport at Portland so we can fly come to Kingston.
How long did it take? What time did you guys leave?
Jesus, we probably left like 2 something.
No.
Why never drive to Stony Hill, man?
I went here, sir.
God, you know you travel time.
Listen, we travel, alright, we're going to the airport and then we'll turn the GPS on when we get there.
Well, yeah, because it says it's only 10 minutes away from the airport. So.
10 minutes from the airport?
So
I want to know.
Lord Jesus.
When we reach the airport, when we reach, I'm like, alright, we'll soon reach now, you know.
Because that's how I was going to tell her to take it to the airport and then.
Is it from tell us our 4 minutes?
Yeah.
But how long are you there? Stony Hill way, Junction.
You know what?
Oh, Junction.
Yeah,
Me don't like Flatbridge. If I let's say a drive.
But she reached. She reached. Finally, she reached.
I told him, I said,
Oh God, you guys. Yeah, party at Kibi, you know. Me have vlog for now. Yeah, me have vlog for now. Them come with dead battery.
battery charge full of camera battery charge.
Oh God, I sweat out the clothes.
It was until we are creating the extra program for all of them.
That's why them subscribe to me because I come full of vibes. Yeah, girl, talk truth. I'm excited, you see? People.
Jesus.
You see, people?
My heart.
If it was not for me, you know, would I never get a little sweetness there? You know, would I never get a little sweetness there, girl? When I'm glad when I come out and see this.
Nice.
Sure. I would have killed myself if I missed this. God, no, I'm not ask.
Yeah, Rita?
I'm not, yeah.
Move that. You back up.
Oh, I'm not ask. That was a nice surprise. All me there, I'm so happy me to get to see that. No, sir.
We missed Kool-Aid.
A bear rapid shot.
And I'm saying, go room name post, you know. We
Yo,
need a
I'm
speaker.
saying that I'm like, Jesus Christ.
We need a speaker.
I have one. Know yourself. I have one. Cause this one yeah, it come like when him knows the people are listening, him just like for going with bare excitement. I'm can't bother with. Look here, me I tell no friend, me will come in there and kick on, you know. Me know I hear it. Me know I hear it.
I already made this team. I'm saying this. Don't even.
Joel? Me say one time in family them come from country, you know, in the living room then there. Joel say, alright. So, alright, cool, alright, no problem. Just be quiet, okay? Even when him have on the TV. Joel. And then me often like, you know what, sitting on me, I feel becoming a one about this like, when you do that, I want to pull away the pillow so me not have nothing to stop me from ball up. Jesus Christ, no one about knows me.
So we're on the same page.
Okay. Like I am a virginity. My God.
Oh,
when I discuss bad enough.
What we miss?
For the family,
okay, that's fine.
Oh no, we answered this already. Where do you reach?
I'm a mom.
You read this?
Put some of the cranberry in there.
Oh, actually,
No man, we pass this already.
No man, yeah, we pass this off.
The white cranberry for going on. The white cranberry.
Are you in Jamaica, Shade? Okay.
Oh, this is the last comment we reached. They look for us.
Oh, sorry, babe.
No, the authentic one. On our vlogs, it's all camera right there.
Yeah,
So
girl,
as for me, I don't know what me say. Me come and say disclaimer, guys. I'm not gonna vlog. But I am gonna start.
I don't even know why they be asking me like, am I vlogging? Have I ever gone to Jamaica and not vlogged for you guys?
I feel like can you there on Georgia you show him with like when me don't see I'm like yo I just meet
That's
one
true.
and then him attack and then now see him I'm like
that's true.
If me what's my message just show the man.
Yeah,
just
facts.
show the man.
Facts.
But on the seat here first. Let me see probably next year. Probably next year.
Or even
It's another conversation. It's okay, you know, but we just
sometimes things have to take time.
Yeah,
you know, people
marinate.
Look,
You know, when
if he's shy, you have to let people. You know, like this is something that we do. So when it comes on to other people, we have to make sure that them comfortable first.
Me alright.
Make sure that them comfortable first before it's a whole different life. Okay?
Yeah, it is. It's just like we're okay with anything.
Yeah, exactly.
We get like
exactly.
we can handle negative impact, like everything. But
same thing we talk all the time. Like anybody when me come about you, like me take it as when I talk about me. Come, him never have to do this.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Well, me have a vlog.
Dave, come like Dave and Ababos. You come Jamaica acting this past week. Ababos bad girl. Me cavity in my team. I got dentist tomorrow. Yes, forever ambitious. Me in Jamaica. Beer and Bishop are going tonight. So
Not here, not in my room. The meme one.
Personal vlogs.
Oh my God!
Oh no, I didn't get it, but when I say it, no, it makes sense.
God!
It makes sense.
So we make sure you get charger and me need to see that husband ring.
You feel me, right?
You will, yeah.
Oh.
You will. You
Charger
will. Yeah. Glad we come up. And trust me, because I didn't want to wait until I go back up to even put up that video. So hopefully, fingers crossed on the praise, I'm gonna knock on plan tomorrow.
I'm pretty sure you can get one.
Hopefully. Even if it's a universal one. Over here festive. Hey, me need somebody like Zoe. If you be my yo, hire me, man.
No. I lick up for true, you know. I lick up for true, man.
Honestly, I'm not even drunk. I'm not drunk.
And the man sing. But you don't know? I'm not wrong.
A man. Talk truth.
Yeah, man, and a bit can't hear me.
And even if she try. Okay? Alright. We have foreign address, so we just do what we have to do and cut.
Period.
No problem.
Yeah, but I wanted them to come for. Babe, how are you mix? How are you mixing on this?
Formula, that's the enemies.
What them are ask our?
Oh, Magnum. 8-year reserve Appleton. Can you use any Appleton?
So why they not sleep there?
Magnum, Appleton.
Appleton reserve.
And cranberry?
Appleton,
and cranberry?
Make me one dear.
You have 12 year, you have 8 year.
Lord Jesus, just we no business body
Cranberry,
here.
white cranberry.
So is this a record?
Yeah. See it.
Oh, see that?
White cranberry.
NSC.
apple time.
Me not bad I want no.
But the Hennessy not in here. No, the Hennessy not in here.
And the
So.
Farmer.
Yeah.
And the Magnum. So the Magnum.
Magnum, Appleton, and Cranberry.
I'm going to try to get one now before.
Magnum, Appleton, and Cranberry.
but not so much.
Mix
Farmer
one.
like me.
Mix one. Can't really sing that too tough round him, you know, because I pop in there.
But a wrong song, me singing the same legacy, me I sing a formula. Alkaline. Yeah. How are you? You don't know song, you know. You remember one time we don't know song.
Shade, remember that me used to be I know the lyrics? Can I tell you a song I know? I don't know a song. From me coming love. You understand? From me getting love, me stop listening music. At least dugu dugu jugu 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 music. It's bare I love you.
So like a gospel. It's like a baptized.
It's bare I am in love. I need you. I want
She
you.
used the music, but the lyrics just not click.
Listen.
Let me know one line and then me own the rest. So in that party, you sang come and say, feel up me feel like that. It's that shit.
I'll dance a song. Ask me if you know anything. I don't know one shit. If I don't hear it in a video and then say maybe Shazam it or Google the lyrics. No.
The only song I know recently is Same Guy, because that's my song. Like, me know it from right. So.
That's not recent.
Oh, so we can. When they come out.
Same Guy no come out from.
You know, still fun.
No, Same Guy. Well, I mean, I guess that's recent enough.
No. Start singing.
Recent. My favorite is recent song. She want a hug and a regagali.
That's not recent either, girl. Come here.
Yeah, that's recent to me. But anybody can call me if they come and knock you good. Let I walk somebody else. Hey.
2020
Yeah, damn right. You better try to sing it. You better try to sing it.
Been a while enough things for talk about. Mama tell about my new man. Same nigga from Waterhouse. No baby girl, that's a rumor. Woman in my life. See me ring thing like it's on wife.
They shut it off, girl, from searching.
Him say me too good in my wife. Then Corina and Joe.
What kind of carriage?
F5 drop top red leather inside.
You're too right.
Swear him about 6'5". Big boot tattoo on him right.
Oh, wait.
But that's so
No, that's not my mom. You know where I come from?
New Kingston.
Which Kingston? We're not messing with the same damn nigga, okay?
Clearly.
No, we cannot do that these times.
This song just nice.
I'm not even know how them something there happening in since 21 year man will tell me tattoo. Joel know already, you know. Joel know me mad. Okay? Joel know, okay, you see him say it himself crazy. Him know better. If I'm have to do anything, I'm have to be top secret agent. Come and swear upon a man, you know, I'm not swear upon nobody, I'm not swear upon nobody, I'm not swear upon nothing. But
dry you tonight.
if him ever have to do anything, you better know how to do it properly so he never reach me back. That's all I can say. Me just say, because we are talking about same man. No, because we are talking about same man. So me I say, could have never reach me. Not in this life, yeah. You see how me find out the first time I have true phone me going on? Let me find out. Them know it's me, no? Miss. I feel away.
We're going for Christmas. Yeah. Oh, you miss.
But Zoe,
no,
we don't need to say your phone. We just have to make a girl know so we step. You understand? But it clean though. It clean. I hate Magnum. Give me diarrhea first and last time. Really? That I will say, it gives you a rush. For me at least, it gives definitely give me a rush. Me can't drink Magnum just like that.
Me love it. Me a Magnum.
But I used to drink Magnum a lot, but still for me sometimes I think especially if I drink and I smoke. Like, oh God, the rush way it give me, because it's like it's a drink, it's liquor. Like it's a liquor. And I like some mixing with
I wanna chase it, right?
Yeah, it's just a liquor.
When I start drinking it, I'm a first.
We're hold over here. Joel and I are very hold people. We're hold.
Me make no know I go.
So
me a black too.
Right now, boy, I'm not hello shade me on the camera, hello, me coming out the room. Door up, me coming out the room.
Sleep, me going to sleep.
Me coming there. Oh,
me tired. I've been driving.
Remember when we didn't get the room with Sandy and okay.
You didn't have your camera in the
okay, me catch everything what going in that place there. Shit, I think it was just the other day, but deleted off my computer.
Really?
Oh God,
That was funny.
Man.
That was my favorite video.
yo, and it's like it was still funny even though so much shit had to get cut out, bro. I'm telling you guys,
Because we knew like.
bruh, watching it back, it was so funny. OMG, good times, yo. That was a good friggin' trip. So it's not show Joel's food in the vlog unless you are giving me some. Me tired. Babe, them don't want you cook no more in my video.
Yeah.
Cause them get hungry.
Never stop cooking.
Them tired I ate. So
Tipsy already soon get tipsy.
you guys gotta go subscribe to his channel.
Yeah,
He's gonna have
look for them
some
actually.
more. He's gonna have some more
No, no,
videos
Cool
coming
people.
out.
See them crazy? Watch out.
A 4 away, yeah. Don't do
I
that.
told you alone actually.
Don't do that.
Madwa na drink now with the
Don't do that.
Madwan, come here. Come get him.
Listen.
Come here, Madwan.
No, we want to get them.
First it's a dog, lion, no mad what? Mad child?
Man, I know what you drink. I would have known what I drink.
But not even tears rum cream. Something no way out about. Sing goody sing. Lord Jesus, you know, so me not even remember say one of the year. I see him someone could have wear and go do some foolishness and one of the right here. So anyways guys, people wanna go sleep. Good night.
Good night.
I don't know. How me look so
Tired.
well. Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Sweet.
Bye. Stop now. Ciao. See you guys later. If anything festivity, baby, can go look for the dominoes for me, please, and the checkers.
Long distance loving, I don't really see you often, but every time when I see you